Oh my There are 2 days in a car guy's life that he will call the most important. Number 1 is the day that he gets his wheels for his car. And then number 2 is, well, I guess there was only one. Oh guys, the wheels for the M3 have finally arrived after months and months of waiting. And as you know from the title of this video, they're from a special place, Alibaba. So as you guys know, wheels cost a pretty penny. And what most people are doing nowadays is buying Alibaba wheels to save money and buy them for a fraction of the cost. You see, BBS wheels cost around $10,000 for a set of 4. And I paid, I think, $3,000 total, and that's including a big fuck up that the Chinese people did. Not only are we going to be installing it in this video, but I'm going to be showing you guys the quality, the fitment, and everything else that you need to know about buying wheels from Alibaba. All right, guys, so the last 2 wheels of the set arrived yesterday, and these tires just got here. It's currently a Saturday at 3 p.m., so time is ticking because I am not waiting until Monday to mount these tires. So let's get these things unboxed. If you guys have seen my short form content, then you guys know that these wheels have been an absolute pain in the ass. The front 2 wheels fit fine, but the back 2 wheels didn't clear my carbon ceramic brakes. And since I got such an aggressive offset, I couldn't just fix it with a spacer because then the wheel would just poke way too much. First, let's check these out and then I'll tell you more. All right, guys, here they are, the Alibaba wheels. It's packaged pretty nicely, I will not lie. All right, guys, here we go. Oh my God, those are beautiful. Of course, for customs clearance, they had to remove this sticker that says BBS. Anyway, so what I was talking about was that when they messed up my wheel size and it didn't clear the CCB, they were trying to blame it on me because I said that I didn't say that I had CCBs. And then what I did after was I put them up for sale, and someone with the G87 M2 with the normal steel brakes, not the CCBs, went to buy them. He tried them on and they also didn't fit his brakes. So the Chinese people were just straight up lying and they messed up the design. So then I told them that, and I wanted to get the rears remade. And then what they told me was absolutely insane. They admitted they made a mistake, but they didn't say they were gonna replace the wheels for free. They made me pay another $1,000 to replace the other 2 rear wheels, which by the way was like $80 off the normal price. But you know, at the end of the day, these are coming from China and they could scam you all they want, so I don't care. At least I got my wheels and I get to install them on my M3, and I saved like $7,000 from buying real ones. But boys, we're on a mission to mount these tires today, so let's get the tires in the car so we can take it to the tire shop. If you don't know her already, this is the infamous Coke Spec M3, and it needs some wheels ASAP. We just got done paint matching the carbon hood, and check it out. That looks super freaking dope. I don't really know how we're gonna do this because it's 4 wheels and 2 tires. So I think the only way to make these fit is to not use the boxes, which is a little sketchy, but I mean, it's kind of our only option. All right, guys, so somehow we made it work. It was not easy, but we got the tires and the wheels in. Even got one wheel on the front. That's funny. All right, guys, so we're on the way to the tire shop, and honestly the time crunch isn't as bad as I thought because all the good tire shops are already pretty much closed. It's already 3:30, so by the time I get there, they're not gonna have enough time to finish my car. But you know, I'm impatient and I'm stupid as fuck, so I am going to my go-to tire shop that does my patches and stuff like that. But let's just say it's not a luxurious tire shop. I mean, it's you know, there's a very high chance that my wheels get scratched here, but you know, they are fake BBSs. I'm gonna tell them to be as careful as they possibly can, but at the end of the day, I'm probably gonna scratch them anyway, so I don't give a fuck. So we're only 15 minutes away, and I cannot explain to you guys how hyped I am because I think, as most of you guys know, tires and wheels are the most important thing that any car can have. A good set of wheels, a nice, shiny, beautiful set of wheels really takes your car to the next level and just makes it look like your own touch. And guys, I think the design of the wheels that I chose are absolutely perfect because we have the Coke Spec theme. It's gonna be so dope. I guess let's talk about Alibaba real quick because, you know, I do really appreciate good quality products. And honestly, I'm only doing this Alibaba thing as a test and to like kind of teach you guys what's up with it, what to avoid, what not to avoid, if you should do it, if you should not do it. But at the end of the day, if I had the money, and I probably will have the money soon, you should buy real BBSs because, you know, peace of mind is the most important thing, and especially when it's something like a wheel, safety is also extremely important. But to be fair, these Alibaba wheels do seem extremely solid, and they are DOT certified. The factory is DOT certified, not the specific wheel, but the factory has DOT certifications, meaning it's not that unsafe. And also another point is that a lot of wheel companies are actually buying these wheels from Alibaba, and they're just sending them designs. I'm not saying BBS does that, because I know they don't, but brands like, you know, I don't want to call anyone out, but like and a lot of those other Instagram brands, they just make the designs, they send them to a manufacturer in Alibaba, which isn't even considered Alibaba. Alibaba is literally just like eBay. You text the suppliers on the thing, but it's not like Alibaba themselves is making the product. So that's where a lot of people have Alibaba confused. Alibaba isn't what you think it is. It's just like Facebook Marketplace. Anyone can sell on Alibaba. Just because it's Chinese doesn't mean it's bad quality. There's good quality Chinese stuff. For example, the device that you're actually watching this video on. But you know, we are just doing this for the experience. I am going to be buying a set of real BBSs down the line, but I do still need to pay for a single turbo kit, so I don't know. All right, boys, so we just made it to the tire shop. I don't want to film them too much because I don't want to like make them feel uncomfortable or anything, but we're gonna throw these tires on. It's gonna be sick. Nah, so this thing actually just looks so good in the sun, and right now they're doing the wheels, they're mounting them. Hopefully they don't scratch them. One more thing, guys, we do have to install this 2mm spacer on the wheel because there was another problem. Basically, the strut was way too close to the wheel. Guys, it's done. The wheels are on the car. Holy fuck, I've seen them. They look literally insane, bro. All right, boys, so obviously we just got done at the tire shop, and I just want to say I'm a really humble guy, but I think that we just built the cleanest G80 in the fucking world. Yeah, you guys are not ready for this. Guys, this is absolutely insane. I don't think I have a single thing to complain about. These Alibaba BBSs look insane, bro. I mean, seriously, guys, the fitment too is just perfect. We picked exactly the right specs. Check that out right there. That's literally flawless. And on the front, it's also really good. I think I'm gonna use a little bit more of a spacer. Overall, this shit looks insane, bro. I'm deadass so hyped and so blessed to be able to build a G80 this freaking clean. Guys, I think I'm gonna go show everyone I know, so I'll catch you guys in a second. All right, guys, so now that the wheels are mounted, it's time to talk about my experience with the Alibaba wheels. At this point in filming, I've probably had them on the car for about 2 weeks, and I think it's time to talk about topic number 1, which is how is the ride quality? When you run aftermarket wheels on a BMW, almost 99% of the time, the ride quality is gonna be a little different just because the OEM wheels are a monoblock and they're just made really right, I guess. So these wheels do ride a little bit worse than the OEM, but so do real BBSs, so it's expected. It's not like it's a deal breaker or anything, like you barely even notice it. For the actual like amount of aesthetics it adds to the car, it's a no-brainer in getting aftermarket wheels, so don't let that statement bring you back. But I did swap to 20s in the front, meaning the tire is a little thinner than before, as you can see. That definitely sacrifices a lot of ride quality for aesthetics because you can feel every bump a lot more. I also added a 10mm spacer there to get that fitment absolutely perfect. It looks so good. The back, I'm gonna add a little bit more of a spacer, but that hasn't arrived yet. But I mean, seriously, just check that out. That's crazy. For being on lowering springs, I think that's probably the best fitment we can get. Another issue about ride quality is that sometimes these wheels are a pain in the ass to balance. So at the tire shop, I believe it was this wheel, they told me that it wasn't perfectly circular. I don't know the word for that, but I mean, I guess like the thing was like warped or something, so when they spun it, it didn't look even. I don't know what I'm talking about. One second, guys, let me look up the word so I can tell you. I think it's called a low spot or something like that. But the point is the wheel isn't a perfect circle, so that does affect the balancing a good amount. But that's only for one wheel, and then again, if you're not that picky, it's not a big deal. Topic number 2 is how do they look close up? I mean, guys, honestly, the quality on these are super good. The polish looks super nice and everything. I wish the lip was a little bit bigger, but I'm not gonna get into how good of a fake it is to the real BBSs because, you know, that's not really the goal here, to be honest with you. We're not trying to get close to the BBSs. Honestly, I'm just trying to test Alibaba wheels and see what's up with them. But the point is they do look good and you won't be disappointed with them. Another big topic is wait time. These take about 3 weeks to be produced and then they take another month to ship. So it's about 2 months total after placing the deposit to get these wheels to your house. And honestly, it's good. But then again, remember I had the issue with the back wheels. So in total, it took me about like 3.5 months. Absolutely insane. But at the same time, when I ordered my wheels for the M340, these aren't from Alibaba and they also took 3 months to get the full set in. So it's not that big of a deal. And another point is, I'm pretty sure that BBS themselves actually take way longer than that. I'm pretty sure people wait like half a year for a set of wheels, which is another sell point on these Alibaba BBSs because it takes so long. Even if you can afford the real BBSs, sometimes people don't want to wait. And now the most important question, which seller did I buy these wheels from? In the beginning of the video, I told you guys about how I basically got scammed for the real wheels. And for that reason, I'm not going to be sharing where I got them from. Because why would I give business to someone that doesn't respect my business? You know what I'm saying? But I think I'm going to say it now, but this is one of the bigger suppliers on Alibaba. This is probably one that vetted suppliers supports. Honestly, guys, just take it from me that Alibaba isn't as wonderful as people say it is. There is a little bit of a dark side, and you can get kind of ripped off. At the end of the day, the wheels do look super good, but I did pay way more than expected. But my advice to you is when choosing a supplier, definitely choose one that has extremely good reviews. But then again, my guy also had really good reviews and they had the DOT certification. So you can't really do anything about it if they fuck it up. But I don't know. It's Alibaba, so what do you expect? But whatever, I'm happy because these wheels just fucking look amazing. I really cannot get enough of it. It just looks so good, bro. But yeah, guys, I think the main lesson to take from this video is that Alibaba wheels do look amazing. They ride very good.
What do you mean by that?
But just be very careful with your supplier and make sure you get the measurements done right the first time and make sure they know exactly what spec you have and double, triple, quadruple check that they know that it's gonna fit your car. Because if not, you're gonna get absolutely ripped off. So basically the point is, if you can afford real BBSs, definitely just buy them. If you can afford real wheels, it's always the best way to go. If you can't afford real wheels and you want to go the Alibaba route, just be very, very, very careful doing so. But guys, besides that, that concludes this Alibaba video. The wheels look so freaking good and we have a lot more coming in for this car. I think my exhaust gets here today. Super hyped for that. And then we also have fenders coming in. We're gonna paint match the trunk, stuff like that. So I'll see you guys in the future videos. And thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.